कहते हैं कोई काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता और चाहे अमीर हो या गरीब, किसी को शोहरत खुद आकर गले नहीं मिलती। इन्हीं कुछ आइडियोलॉजीज पर काम कर आज कई ऐसे सितारे हैं जिन्होंने नाम कमाया है। लेकिन जब वो कुछ नहीं थे, अपने स्ट्रगलिंग पीरियड से गुजर रहे थे, उन दिनों को इन एक्टर्स ने भुलाया नहीं। शोहरत मिलने पर भी उन्होंने अपने हर स्ट्रगलिंग पीरियड को चेरिश किया। जी हाँ, कलाकारों की जिंदगी में एक ब्लॉकबस्टर प्रोजेक्ट उन्हें राख से आसमान पर बिठा देता है, लेकिन हर कोई अपने पुराने दिन और स्ट्रगलिंग दौर के बारे में खुलकर बताते नहीं है। मगर sometimes a few television celebrities have openly talked about being jobless during their career. Recently, newly became daddy, Shahir Sheikh revealed that he had no work before he got Mahabharata. Just like that, many celebs have talked about such times previously too. So here's a taking look at some popular names from the tele world who talked about being unemployed. Well, the first one in the list is of course Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi actor Shahir Sheikh, who recently became a father, revealed that he was jobless for almost a year. In an interview with an online portal, he talked about the time when he turned to photography to earn for his living because he had no work. Well, next we have the most famous actress Nia Sharma, who was recently seen in Bigg Boss OTT and also opened up there being unemployed for almost a year post एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है। जी हाँ, निया शर्मा ने 9 महीने तक स्ट्रगल किया and then she got her next project Jamai Raja. She revealed about those difficult days and said that she doesn't want to experience such a time ever in life. तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा के मोस्ट फेमस कलाकार दिलीप जोशी, जो निभाते हैं जेठालाल का कैरेक्टर, और ये कैरेक्टर सिर्फ इंडिया में ही नहीं बल्कि इंटरनेशनली भी काफी फेमस है। उन्होंने इस बारे में रिवील किया था कि वो जॉबलेस थे फॉर अ ईयर बिफोर ही गॉट एन ऑफर फॉर द शो. The actor, who is one of the most famous and most popular face on television industry today, didn't have any work for a year before he signed Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. He shared that this happened when the show he was part of for prior to Tarak Mehta went off air, and then he didn't get an offer for any other project. सुमोना चक्रवर्ती को तो आप जानते ही होंगे। जी हाँ, सुमोना चक्रवर्ती कपिल शर्मा के शो पर कई सालों से आ रही हैं। इससे पहले उन्होंने शो बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं में भी काम किया है. Well, she talked about being unemployed in a note she shared on social media. The actress made a post on Instagram and talked about having no work but still feeling privileged to be able to feed herself and her family. Sumona also talked about battling endometriosis for years now. Well, next we have Ronit Roy. क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी and कसौटी जिंदगी के फेम actor Ronit Roy, who has turned now a Bollywood actor, once revealed that he was jobless for as many as 4 years in a row. The actor revealed that he went into depression during those days and even turned into an alcoholic. He shared that he would make money by making guest appearances on television shows, which would make him earn 2,000 to 3,000 every 3 or 4 months. Well, popular TV actor and host Manish Paul, जिन्हें हमने कई बार कई सारे shows को host करते हुए और हमें हंसी से लोटपोट करते हुए देखा है, the actor revealed that he saw a time when he had no work and couldn't afford to pay the rent of his house in Mumbai. He shared that his wife Sanyukta took care of everything during those times and gradually things worked out for him too. Bigg Boss 14 fame Shardul Pandit talked about the tough time during the COVID-19 lockdown. The actor was struggling to get good work and even faced a financial crunch during that time. He opened up about the low phase and revealed that he was jobless for 2 years, following which he incurred heavy losses and battled depression. Reem Sheikh, who was seen in Tujhse Hai Rabta, once opened up about having no work for almost 2 years after the show Chakravarti Na Ashoka Samrat. It was a break because I was genuinely not getting work, the actress revealed in an interview with the leading entertainment portal. However, these actors believed in themselves and patiently अपने अच्छे वक्त का इंतजार किया, which has got them to where they are now. Meanwhile, आपके क्या रिएक्शंस हैं इन मशहूर कलाकारों के स्ट्रगल के दौर को जानने के बाद हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइए. ऑल्सो अपने पसंदीदा कलाकारों और सितारों से जुड़े हर जानकारी और अपडेट पाने के लिए बने रहें टेली चक्कर के साथ.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakka's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.